Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to hide the taskbar on your Windows 11 computer guys. So if you want to automatically hide it from appearing in taskbar in Windows, show you guys how to do that. Right click on the taskbar and go to taskbar settings and scroll down guys. Expand the taskbar behaviors, and here is automatically hide the taskbar, enable it. That has been enabled. Now the full screen turned on. If you want to back to unhide it, if you want to unhide it guys, you just need to uncheck the box. That will be appear again. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.